Good morning, my dear friends, as well as my dear students. Today's topic is variables and keywords in C programming. So, I'll tell you today that what is the concept of variable as well as the keywords in C programming. So, everyone just take one notebook and pen and note it down. What is the concept, what is the main keyword in it, and how you could use it in your C program. So write the program for it as well. So the first thing that is, what are variables? So variables are what? Variables are the name, or you could say the storage locations. And even though you could say that variables are the containers, like where you could store the values, where you could store the information, where you could store the characters, right? So variables are what, like as soon as like one concept or one question came, like what do you mean by variable, so directly it is a container. It act as a container for different type of you could say data or information to store into it. So as soon as you just give the name of the variable and just define the variable, then the memory locations has been created, right? So these variables take some of the memory locations in the computer memory as soon as you just define it, right? So like the variables can be the numbers, it could be the floating point number, it could be the integer kind number, it could be the character, it could be the any kind of logical value, or it could be any string. All right, so these are actually variables, and before using the variable it must be declared. You must know that whenever you are going to use the variable, then first of all you need to define it. I'll give you the example of it, but before that you must know what are the parts of variables. So the first part of the variable is like, whenever you wants to use it into your C program now, then like every time you need to use a syntax. So what is the syntax of variable to use it in your program? First of all you need to give the data type. So this int is one kind of data type. After that, what type of variable name you wants to take. So let us suppose you wants to take marks, because you are writing a program to print the marks of the student. So that is why you need one variable, that is marks. So marks is of integer kind. So in case of declaration, every time first of all you need to declare the variable, and for that purpose you must have the data type. I think this is clear to everyone. Now, the next part of the variable, that is initialization. So, initialization could be in the constant form, and it could be you want to take the values for your marks from the user, right? Because like here, what you are doing, you are making it constant. Like you had entered the marks at the initialization phase, so that is fixed, that has been constant, right? So what you do, you just make it try to take it from the user. So initialization could be done in two phases. So every time you must have the practice to take it from the user. At that time it would be known as the globalized program, right? Means so like everyone according to their need, the user could enter the input. Then the third thing is data type. So data type means like here you need to give the data type, na? Like whether the marks would be in floating kind, or whether the marks which you just need is in double data type, right? So that is why data type is one of the most important thing. Now, what are keywords? I'll give you the example of variables, like how to use it, but before that you just have a look of keywords, like what do you mean by keywords, how to use them, and how actually you could define it into the C program. So keywords are what, like these are the predefined or reserved words, or you could say like these are the actually constant keywords, right, which you can't change. So these are the reserved words that have a special meaning to the compiler. Means and these has been already defined in the header file. These keywords has already been defined in the as every time we need to use the respective header file for that. So these are the reserved words, you could say. These are the part of the syntax and cannot be used as identifier, because identifier is something else. I'll tell you like what do you mean by identifier, but this time we just focus on keywords. So in case of C programming, we are having total 32 keywords which are written in the C programming, but they must be used in the lowercase form. What is the purpose and what are the uses of keywords? Why do we need it in the C programming? So keywords are basically used to define the data types. Because sometimes int, float, these are the keywords, right? So that is why we are saying to define the data types. Sometimes in case of control program, just like control program flow means in case of for loop. So what actually we are doing? We are using the keyword over there, no? Even though in case of if else, so like control program flow, if else we are using. So if else is what? This is a keyword. Then to declare the storage classes to perform the various other operations to the C programming. So for instance, we could say if and else are used for conditional execution, while loop, do while loop, these are what? These all are the form of a keywords. All right. So these are actually the 32 keywords which are used in C programming. Auto, break, like soon and later, like you would use break statement as well. Then continue, we are having if, else, end, long, struct, switch. These are some of the like keywords in case of C programming, and you will make the program depend upon these 32 keywords. All right, so what could be the example of like the keyword? Let us suppose, like here what you are doing, you are just defining one of the variable, but have you noticed that the variable which you are trying to take, the variable which you are trying to define over here is a kind of keyword? So would it return the value? No, there would be one error in the program, because you are trying to assign this number to the keyword. That is why it is wrong. So as soon as you would run this program with the help of F9 in the code block, then you would get some error. Why? Because in case of the variable, you are trying to use a keyword. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay. Now, what are the differences between variables and keywords? Variables, as you know very well, these are actually the containers where you are storing the data and where you are manipulating the data. Manipulating means like where you are just applying or where you are just applying your logic. So that is manipulating. It could be addition, it could be subtraction. All right. So keywords are the reserved words which are used to define the structure and the control flow. Sometimes, to define the control flow, we just use if else. Sometimes we use for loop. So these are the keywords. Then the second difference between variable and keyword is like variable is being created by the user using the valid identifiers. These are user defined. But keywords are defined by the C standard and recognized by the compiler. It is defined by the C standard. Now, what could be the example of the variables? Just like age, total, marks, number, radius. So these are what? These are the example of variables. Now, what are keywords? Keywords means like which we can't change, and these are the reserved words. Just like you could see the example of it, just like for loop, while, int, return, break, continue, do while. These are the keywords. Now, some more differences between variables and keywords. Like the variable can hold the values and it can be used in the operations. So, yes, it can be used in the operations. For example, if you want to use the assignment operator, to you need to apply it onto the variable. But keywords are used to define the structure of the C code. Structure of the C code. Sometimes we just use it in the object-oriented programming for defining the class. Okay, now the another difference is like variables are naming. Variables naming is flexible, but keywords named are fixed, that cannot be altered, that cannot be changed. So these are the differences between variable. Now, what do you mean by identifier? So first of all, what is the difference between identifier and variable? Identifier is sometime it is known as a variable as well, but not every time, because variable is totally the user defined value, and the identifier sometimes play the role of the, like, to define the classes. Sometimes it is it is used to define the struct, as well as sometimes like we just use this identifier like you could say to uniquely identify the program, right? And this can include functions and classes, or you could say the for labeling purpose. All right, so variable is one. For variable is a specific type of identifier that is used to name a memory location where data can be stored. So variable is totally used to store the like memory locations, but identifier sometimes like used to define the variable, to give the name and to define some of the variables. It could be play the role of the container where we could define various variables over there in a form of classes, in a form of you could say struct, like this. Okay, now what are the differences between keywords and identifiers? Keywords, as you know very well, that these are the reserved words in C that have a specific meaning and that you can't change. It has already have the definition that has been defined in the header file. Now, identifiers are the names which can be given to the variable, which can be given to the function, which can be given to the struct. Keywords cannot be used as variable name, obviously, otherwise there would be one error and our program would not run. But identifier can be used as variable name if it is not a keyword. The example of keyword: int, return, if, while, do while, like you could say enum, break, continue, as well as you could say return and all. But identifier is sometimes it plays the role of variable. So you could write x, you could write num, you could write total, you could write area. So various examples we are having. Now both are the like part of the C language program, but if we talk about the language grammar, then yes, in case of keywords we need to check the grammar. So this is a part of the C language grammar, and the identifiers are user defined. These have meaningful names in the code, because a good programmer always try to use the meaningful name for the C program. Okay, like the keywords. Keywords cannot be redefined or repurposed. Once they has been defined, then obviously the users need to use, the programmers need to use it in the same manner as they has been defined. But identifier can be defined or in a the new definition could be given to the identifiers, because sometimes they are used in a form of variables, sometimes they are used in a form of classes. That is why. Okay, so I hope the differences are clear. I hope like the concept of keywords and variable is clear to you people. Okay, so everyone just do practice of some of the programs. I'll upload some of the practice programs related to this like a variable, constant, as well as for the identifier. So till then, do check all the lectures, and if you like it, then please do subscribe the channel, and as well as you could comment over there. Okay, so thank you everyone.